from my RC build channel. I am doing a little video tip how to today on my tires. So after my last episode out in the mud, I learned that these treads are just a little bit too close together. They just get packed with mud. Nothing you can do, you just start sinking. So I've seen a few other videos on the old YouTube that people are actually cutting and making their own tread on them a little bit, and I figured I'd give her a go today and see how that goes. I've already done 2 of them, but I don't suggest I'd go get a new set of tires if you can, but if you can't afford it, this might be a good option for you. So basically what I did, focus, is that I cut like, pretty much you want it to all be even, so I just started with a pattern and I just started cutting square, triangle, whole way around on each side of this here. Bring up the other one to compare it. You can see there's quite a bit more space on the one that I cut, which should help clean the tires out when you spin them and keep you going through the mud and whatever else you're going through. Yeah, so check it out, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please like and subscribe and share with everybody all the videos. Been doing some cool new videos since we've got 2 new 4K cameras and start doing stuff more legit, just not off the old cell phone no more. So yeah, like and subscribe, and check out my other playlists on the end of this video, and you can click to subscribe there. Thank you. Hopefully you guys liked the little time lapse there. Took a lot longer than I thought it was going to take, probably a good hour and a half. Got a good handful of rubber there. Bunch of little chunks. Yeah, it should be a lot better once we hit the mud again in that RC. A lot more spread. Almost looks like a homemade swamper. But yeah, make sure you like the video. Check out all my other stuff. I got a playlist, probably like 10 videos now of RC adventures and stuff. I'm gonna put a little clip after this of me getting stuck in the mud yesterday and making me want to actually cut the tires or buy a new one. So yeah, make sure you like and subscribe and share it to everybody. Thank you, everybody.